तो आप घर पर बना सकते हैं पूरन पोली।
After a long time, let's make desi food.
तो चलिए बनाते हैं। उसके लिए हम 1 कप गुड़ और आधा कप चीनी इसे
That thing is too complex, so my mom helped me to do it. I like this one. It's sweet and super tasty.
डो तैयार करने वाले हैं, जिसमें मैं ऐड कर रही हूँ 2 कप मैदा।
This is 100% maida dough that I legitimately prepared this. Trust me, my mom didn't help me to do it.
You lying to people.
करने के बाद एक सॉफ्ट सा डो लगा लेंगे। इसकी लोई बना लेंगे।
The softest dough can be even softer than Sydney Sweeney. Let's do some DIY. This is my mom's technique to help the dough not to stick to filthy kitchen counter. Oh, it's a Benton watch. 4 arms. I choose you. Placing my dough on greased cover. You can use plastic wrap if you have it.
और पूरन पूरी का मसाला हम इसके अंदर भर देंगे और उसे
I don't think it's called masala. Anyway, stuff this yellow thing into the dough. I'm packing it like Christmas gift. It's cute ball. Let's flatten this up using fingers.
When you use finger method on people, it's not just first knuckle, it's the whole fist.
Now you can flip the cover and roll like this.
रोल कर लेंगे दोनों
A nice Sydney Sweeney shape. It's not perfect but look promising.
तरफ अच्छे से घी से सेक देंगे। तो
I use oil. Flipping the half-cooked dough. I am trying this with my baby fork. It's hard. Eventually I got it.
पूरन पूरी बनकर तैयार हो चुकी है। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। थैंक यू सो मच।